Happy birthday, Daddy. It's your special day today. And I am thankful, Daddy, for the love, care, and support that you have given to me. And Daddy, gusto lang ako ingon pod na you're one of my inspiration of what I have become today, Daddy. And I wish you good health, prosperity, more love, and more years to celebrate, Daddy. Always know, Daddy, that we have always have your back, you and Mommy. And Mommy, ingat ka diya. Ikaw po, Daddy. Enjoy your day. I love you both so much. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Daddy Mike. Happy 68th birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and happiness. Thank you for being such a kind, caring, and wonderful daddy to all of us. We are truly grateful for your guidance, support, and the joy you bring to us, to our family. As you celebrate this special milestone, may God bless you with good health, peace, and many more years of beautiful memories with your loved ones. Enjoy your special day, Daddy Mike. You deserve all the happiness today and always. Happy 60th birthday. Love you all. Bye-bye. Miss you.